Here I have VIVAX Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So firstly, you have to open your camera, then you have to swipe like this to open camera settings, and here you have this option, countdown duration. You can set a timer on 3 or on 10 seconds. Let's set it on 3 and try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer worked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.